Now let us see how we use ne plus in sentences. The question here is répondez or négatif. Respond in the negative by using en utilisant, by using ne plus. So we have 3 questions and we are going to answer these questions in the negative. So shall we read the first question? Il nous restait, we rest ourselves, du chocolat dans le frigo. Il nous restait du chocolat dans le frigo. Now how do we know that this is a question? We have a question mark at the end. It is a normal statement with a question mark at the end. I have already taught you how to ask questions. This is the statement type of question. You write a statement with a question mark. Now, how do we answer this? Il stays il nous. Now, our verb here is rester. So, we put ne before the verb and plus after the verb. Ne reste plus. And when you have partitive articles, they become the. So whatever it is here, it becomes the. So il nous ne reste plus de, and the remaining as it is. Do we put a question mark here? No, because we have answered the question. So what did we say here? Il nous restait du chocolat dans le frigo. Il nous ne reste plus. We found the verb and we put ne before the verb and plus after the verb. And if there is a partitive article or an indefinite article, it becomes the. No matter what is there, it becomes the. The chocolat dans le frigo. Have you understood? Now the next sentence. Vous mangez encore de la viande. Vous mangez. Now see the first 2 words. This is a question, okay? So you eat. They are asking you. Now when they ask a question, do you eat? How will you answer? You will answer I. Now we are going to answer in the negative. So I do not eat or we do not eat. So vous will become nous. Yes. So vous becomes nous. And what is our verb in this sentence? It is manger. So we have to conjugate it accordingly, right? So for nous, the conjugation of manger becomes mangeons, right? And now we have to answer it in the negative. So this is our verb. So we have to write ne before the verb and pas after the plus after the verb. I'm sorry. Ne mangeons plus. So encore also, instead of encore we are writing plus. And now here we have a partitive article again. So what will this become? It becomes the and viande. So what did we do? We first read the question and in order to answer it, we need to change the subject. In this case, we didn't have to change the subject because it is third person. Since this is second person, your answer will have to be in first person. So nous, the verb is also conjugated accordingly, and our goal here is to write it in the ne plus form. So before the verb we write ne and after the verb we write plus. and if there are any partitive articles or indefinite articles, it becomes the beyond. So is it clear? Now shall we try to do the last sentence? Elle suit toujours un régime. Régime means a diet. So here we have no problem because our question is in the third person. So when your question is in the third person, your answer will also be in the third person. Elle. So your verb doesn't change. Suit. And now what is our goal here? We have to write it in the ne plus form. So we add ne before the verb and plus after the verb. Elle ne suit plus, and the word toujours is eliminated, and here we have an indefinite article. So what does this become? It becomes the, and you write regime as it is. So this is how we answer questions in using ne plus. What is the difference between ne pas and ne plus? Ne pas just means not. We just make the sentence negative. Ne plus means not anymore or no more. So it is written the same as ne pas. We write ne before the verb and plus after the verb. The only difference is any partitive articles or indefinite articles become the. So I hope you understood how to use the negation to answer these questions.